Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you what you can do if the scroll bar is missing in Excel. This is actually quite simple. First we open Microsoft Excel and here I have a document in which I can't find any scroll bar. To change this I click on the File tab and go to Options. Here we switch to the Advanced tab and scroll down until we get to Display Options for this workbook. Here I find the functions for the horizontal and the vertical scroll bar. If I check both boxes and click on OK, we will see that the scroll bars are now back. And as we have seen in the settings, this was an option for this workbook. So this is not a global setting of Excel, but only for this workbook. So the reason why you couldn't see the scroll bar is usually because someone else has turned it off and sent you this file. Just as a little information. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!